At SEF, we offer 360-degree greenhouse solutions that leverage our knowledge, experience, and imagination to help advance the goals of our clients. We work together with our clients to design greenhouse projects that align with their business needs. We recognize that every client is distinct, driving us to cater our project plans to their unique business objectives. As recognized leaders of steel manufacturing within the North American greenhouse industry, you can trust our world-class tools and talent to deliver project materials with exceptional quality. From beginning to end, we offer integrated project management so you can trust that every aspect of your greenhouse construction project is being handled by industry experts. And even after project completion, our team remains committed to providing continuous support and training to ensure the utmost customer satisfaction. Explore the possibilities with SEF and witness how our expertise and dedication can turn your greenhouse aspirations into a reality.